This is a tutorial on how to open up an assignment in Canvas and use your stylus to write on the assignment, fill in using your keyboard on the assignment, and then how to save it and then turn it in here on Canvas. So the first assignment is right here. We're going to click on the link and it opens up. So the first thing we're going to do is click on Open and select Open in Browser. And that brings us to another screen where we see the same document, but you can notice that that's got the black background around it. And what this does is it allows us to use our inking, our stylus, to write on the document. And you'll notice the pencil up here in the right-hand corner. I'm up here looking by the pencil. When you click on that pencil, it opens up the tools right here at the top of the screen. And that's how I know I can now ink on this document. So I'm going to scroll down to an area where I want to write. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to decide what I want to use. I'm going to use the highlighter first, and I'm going to choose my color, and I want to use green first. And I like the size that it is, so I'm going to click off, and I'm going to start highlighting the sentences that I want to use this color for. So you can see right there, I've just highlighted in green. I can then change the color when I want to change for highlighting something else important. So I'm highlighting in a different color for different purposes. And then if I want to switch to the pen, this is for circling. I'm doing something different here. I can change the thickness of the pen. So I might want to use this to circle specific words like vendor, or maybe I'm using this to underline. I want to underline words that maybe I want to ask about. I'm not sure about these words. So there may be different purposes for using the pen or the highlighter. There's also an eraser here. If you want to erase something, you can just click on it. Or if you want to, you can use the undo button and the redo button. Now in this particular document, there are parts where I want to use my stylus to ink on the document like I just did, but there's also at the bottom of this document a place where they are asking me to write some stuff. And I don't want to use my stylus here because my handwriting is not really great and it's not going to fit in the little boxes that they gave me. So I actually want to type there. And in order to do that, I have to click on the little pencil to get rid of it. And when I do, it shows the little blue boxes underneath the title here where I can actually start writing. And I can type in my title is, and then I can type in whatever I want to right there. And then it allows me to click anywhere that there's a blue box for me to actually type information. Now, once I'm done with my assignment and I'm ready to turn it in, I need to save it and then submit. To do this, you're going to click on the download arrow next to the pencil up here and make sure you select with your changes. It's going to open up either downloads or your Google Drive. I recommend that you save it in your Google Drive. And if you don't have a folder that you're specifically saving your assignments for this particular class in, then you just want to make sure that you come down here and you highlight the name of the assignment. And then once it's highlighted, you want to select Control-C on your keyboard for copy, and then save the assignment. And then go ahead and go back to the assignment. Over here, you're going to come to the Submit button here. If it's done through your Google Drive, you can come over here to Google Drive and click on the Search button and type Control-V. And then you'll notice there's your assignment. You can click on it, come down here and say Link, and hit Submit Assignment. And then there you go. Your assignment has been submitted, and it shows you that you've submitted that assignment. And that is how you ink on your assignment, download it, save it, and submit here on Canvas. Thank you so much for watching.